think in general it's very important to have a trade fair like this for a couple of reasons. You know, it can begin to give confidence in the ability to recover. From where I sit, we've seen the Chinese government respond well to the initial crisis. You know, trade needs to flow around the world. We cannot have trade barriers and trade wars. So having now a trade fair that talks about this is a crucial point in time. We need to reinvent ourselves. We need to reinvent financial services, tourism, all these other elements. Of course, communication services. And I'm hoping that China, with its real wave of innovation in some of your tech companies, can contribute to that. And this particular trade fair can expose some of that potential.